what we're looking at right now is the price of gold trading at 1484. And if you take a look at the chart, it is trading above the sell one level of 1483. The market is showing a very strong daily uptrend momentum. When it closed above 1479, which, as you can see on the chart on the left, it is the daily average price or pivot point to 1479. And on the right, you see the weekly average price or pivot point of 1479. When the price of the daily matches the weekly almost exactly at par, or at even money, you might say, if you're a spread trader, this is the highest mathematical probability to identify the probability factor of the algorithm. And when the market closed on this bar at 5:30 a.m. above 1479, it activated a bullish trend momentum. We came back down here, tested it again at 6:30 a.m. and, as you can see here, closed above it and activated the bullish trend momentum for the daily and for the weekly signals. And automatically, when the VC PMI activates the signal, it also ignites and activates the targets above. In this case, the daily target of sell 1 is at 1483. And the weekly target, based on the weekly signal, is at 1494. So, excuse me, in essence, what we're doing is we're taking a look at two different data set of points that we are trying to harmonically align the data. In aligning the data, it ignites a probability factor mathematically. And this told you that we have on the daily and the weekly a better than 90, that because it is trading on the average price, which is 50-50 standard deviation, it activates the bullish trend momentum, the sentiment of the market, and it activates the target of 1483 on the daily. Now, when the daily target of 1483 is completed and you have the daily signal and the weekly signal harmonically aligned, activating a bullish trend momentum, then if you carry multiple positions, then what you want to do is simply allow for the market to confirm or validate or negate the artificial intelligence of activating a short signal. As you can see here, we chose and we told our subscribers in the live trading room. In fact, I had a question from one of my traders that, we've activated a trigger point in here. And I said, I'm passing that trigger point. Then he asked why. Well, I'm giving you the answer between the daily and the weekly harmonically aligned. It's a very good probability that this price not only is going to meet the target daily, but is going to meet the weekly target of 1494. The second daily target now is 1488. And so on the daily signal, even though I tell my subscribers, basically my traders, that even though the price may activate a buy signal here, do nothing, because if you're buying up here, unless you're in it already from below, it's a high risk, and you only have a 10% probability that the price could go up to that 1488 daily. And the weekly, as you can see, is on the way to that 1494. And so what I'm doing here as a self-directed trader is I'm using these pivot points to lock in profits. On the daily from 79 to 83, that's a $4 profit. If you have multiple positions, you can sell some more at 1488. That's another $400 a $500 profit that you lock in. And if you're carrying a weekly signal or a weekly target at 1494, then keep that swing open with a target of 1494 and trail your stop accordingly, which could be at 1483 or below.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our variable changing price momentum indicator, VC PMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VC PMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VC PMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VC PMI algorithm. The VC PMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VC PMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VC PMI? The VC PMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VC PMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VC PMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.